Welcome to Eye in the Sky Drones, and if you love these guys, drones, you're at the right channel. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button, and come check out all of the stuff we talk about here on Eye in the Sky Drones. Guarantee you like it. What I want to look at today is the Air 3 and how well this little guy does at night. As we all know, the Mavic 3 has night mode, has a bigger sensor, so it does pretty well in low light conditions. Does this little brother, the Air 3, match up? The Air 3 has night mode as well, but it also has a smaller sensor, meaning not as much light comes into it as the Mavic 3. But one thing about the Air 3 is it has two cameras. They're both the same size as well. So we're going to take a look at a few videos and kind of see how well the Air 3 does at night. Even do a hyperlapse to see how that comes out in night mode to see what it does. So let's take a look at the videos here. Even with the smaller sensor, the Air 3 still performs kind of well in night mode. Without night mode on some drones, a lot of the shots are dark. And if you look at the difference between with night mode and without night mode, you can kind of see where it gets kind of hazy without night mode. So night mode is a great tool to help us in low light conditions if you still want to fly and get your shots. One thing I wanted to make users aware, when you're flying this Air 3 at nighttime, obstacle avoidance isn't there. In low light conditions, obstacle avoidance is turned off. So you gotta know your surrounding and know your areas, because you're not gonna have those extra sensors to help you not run into anything or detect obstacles. So just be mindful of where you are, your height, and your return to home, because this guy's not gonna be able to help you out. And with the Air 3 in night mode, you can still get amazing shots. You don't have to have a Mavic 3 to get amazing shots in low light conditions. Air 3 will work fine. Is it the best? But it's still a good tool. Well, we're signing out from Eye in the Sky Drones. Like I said, if you like this video, or if you just like drones in general, you're in the right channel. So hit that like and subscribe button. Signing out, always be safe and have fun flying.